Hi everyone, my name is Wendy and I'm with Creation Depot. This is going to be a super short vlog this week as it is Friday. So last week's vlog, I alluded to a big thing that was happening for my family and we went to Walt Disney World. I got my little souvenir here that cost way more than it should have. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for hanging with me while I went on vacation. I appreciate it. I came back to 4 new subscribers. That was awesome. And as far as stuff that's going on this week, obviously the week's over already. But the only thing I wanted to get done this week was just post an accountability blog. So that's easy for this week. Next week, I'm looking to kind of jump back in with both feet and kind of get things going. And I'm really kind of looking forward to this new simpler plan I have for the business. I just got to figure out what I'm going to focus on specifically, and I'll share that with you and figure out what I'm doing. I want things to be super simple this year because I'm already looking at the calendar and I've got stuff booked into September already. Like, I feel like the year just started and we're already like, almost halfway through February. Maybe it's the 8th. We're third of the way through February. But that's it. I just wanted to check in, say, hey, everybody, that's where I was. I didn't want to say, hey, I'm going on vacation. And by the way, my house is going to be empty while I'm gone. That just didn't seem too smart. So, but the big thing that happened for us is that we went to Walt Disney World, had a blast. The place was awesome. My cat's trying to make an appearance here. And we went to all 4 parks, the 4 main ones, and just really had a good time. And the reason that this is so significant is that I've been trying to go to Walt Disney World for, oh gosh, since my daughter was born. So at least 5 years. And, now she's 5 and my other daughter is 1. And it was just like the perfect time to go. And, it wasn't like, the stars were not lined up. It wasn't perfect financially. It wasn't perfect. Like, I was trying to get it so that my side business, Creation Depot, would pay for the whole thing, just like get the contracts in. And it did do it to a large extent, but not the whole thing. So, I did have to pull into my savings a little bit to make it completely happen, but it was worth it. It was so much fun. Oh my gosh. And now I've got these memories for forever. I'm so excited. It was just such a good trip. And I've never been with kids before. So this was a brand new thing for me. I've been as an adult, and done the Epcot food. You are so going to push a button. Go on. I've done the Epcot wine and food festival thing, and really enjoyed walking around and kind of doing things at my own pace. But with a kid, you're kind of on their schedule. And it was a little bit grueling, as Disney can be. Just everything's planned and you got to get going and you got to get to where you want to go. And the one thing I learned is that I need to take resort days, just kind of take days off in the middle or the beginning just to recoup from the flight and then kind of have a break in the middle of the vacation, because this was a long vacation. We were gone for 6 days, and there was a lot to it. But I wish we had taken a day off in the middle, and I wish that we kind of realized a little bit, just done our fast passes, which is like the cut and line passes, kind of more spread out through the day. Like everyone said, oh, do them in the morning so you can get more in the afternoon, things like that. I'll probably end up doing like a Disney recap, like things I wish I had done better. Just because anybody that's planning on going, especially with young kids, it's a completely different world than when you go by yourself, or with your significant other to Disney World. So that's it. That's all. That's where I was. That's what I was going on. And this week has really just been catching up on email. The last 2 days that I've been working, Thursday and Friday, it's just catching up on emails and getting things situated for next week. And next week I'm going to move forward with developing my plan. So I'll share that too. All right. Take care, guys. I will see you later. Have a good one.